So here's instance and Instagram app share in the moment. So here is the app, new app from Instagram. I think it's kind of like a copy of Be Real, also copy of Locket app, where you just post your current moment and then people react to it. Usually your friends. So that's it. So you have your instant and jump straight to the camera, share with the tap, no edits, no overthinking, here and now. And then instance can be viewed again once they're gone. So you can't view it again. So it's like instant photo. Share and view instance from here or Instagram. So that's kind of the idea. So here is the app. You just log in with your existing Instagram account. So here and then you just select friends, followers you follow back, or just close friends. So then you can also select close friends or friends, and then you just tap it, you can undo it, you can change the camera, you can add the flash, and in top right you just see your instance just like that. I'm just playing with it. Then you can just select it, you can tap the three dots here, get to a camera roll, just kind of delete it if you want, so super easy, and that's it. You can also then add a lock screen widget, only lock screen widget, not home screen. So you can just add it to your lock screen if you go through your like settings, and then for example you just go here through what is that, so like wallpaper, one of the ways, then just tap customize and then add widgets and add instance. So you can add it, use this like just from your lock screen whenever you have some mood or anything. Yeah, just weird they don't have home screen widgets to see recent instance. Probably, you need to use Instagram widget for that. But yeah, you just, you log in with your existing Instagram account, and then there is no way to unlink. I don't know how to unlink this instant account from my Instagram account. Usually with Meta apps, it's super complicated. Then you're in their ecosystem with ads and so on. But yeah, that's what it is. That's the app. And then you just have it like this. That's where it is. So yeah, that's how you just kind of use it. It's very minimalistic, and then I guess it will appear, these photos will also appear in your Instagram status, or I don't know exactly yet how it will appear. Also, when you're taking your instant, you can also add a caption. So how do you add it? Somehow you can add it, and then people also will send reactions here in the bottom. So in the bottom you will see people reacting to it. So yeah, that's the idea. So that's about that. So check it out. This is how it's called, from Instagram Inc.